Alright guys, we're gonna do this out of order today. It is Friday, it is raining, and I accepted my first offer. It was the first offer DoorDash gave me. They sent me 5 million reminders that I had to shift it for, so I was like, well, I better not pause it because I think they need me. But we're doing a 1075 for 4 miles, but about 1.7 of those miles is just getting to the store, and it's 10 items, and it's rainy, so we'll see. Right now I'm at 98% completion rate, but I have no problem dropping shitty shop and pay orders, so we're gonna see what is on this. Actually, let's see right now. Let's see if it'll tell us. 10 items. Okay. Watermelon bowl, milk, cheese, bagels, celery, cream cheese, baby carrots, tortilla chips. Looks like someone's having a party, so this is easy enough. We're gonna get this done and then we'll start off on a good note. Hi.
Perfect time.
I know. The other day I was making a delivery at the same time as an Amazon driver, so it's always Alright guys, well, we just dropped off at Safeway. It took way too long. It took me 43 minutes to do that whole thing, and so it was right on time, thank goodness, but the grocery store was just crazy, and I knew it would be crazy, but like, I only had 10 items, so I thought they would have like more registers open for like smaller items, but I guess that's what self-checkout's for now. We just got one for Little Caesars. It's like $10 for 7 miles. Hi guys, it's Francis with Fran-Phoenix. It's Friday. It's very cloudy, rainy. I've already done a Safeway order, which took like 45 minutes, and it was only like $10, so that sucked. Now I'm about to pick up a Little Caesars, and that's a road trip, but I kind of expected it, and I'm trying to keep my AR up. For dinner time, because at about 5:30 it's really gonna hit. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for my 64 subscribers. You guys are just the coolest. And I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas, because by the time this is posted, it'll either be Christmas or after Christmas, because I already have 2 videos to edit before this. So anyway, thank you again for watching. Alright guys, I got $4 on that one. I don't think I'm gonna get anything over here. There aren't a lot of restaurants. I haven't eaten yet today or had caffeine. So I think I'm gonna go to this place called Salad and Go. It's like a fast food place for salads, and I'm gonna get something there and then get back in a busier area. Alright, I just stopped for a couple minutes so I could have some of my salad and my lemonade. It's this place called Salad and Go. If you're from Arizona, you know. But this is a blueberry basil Arnold Palmer. So it's mango green tea and blueberry basil lemonade mixed together. It sounds weird. It's really good. Alright, and then I'm having this salad. It doesn't look like much, but I kind of buried everything. It's just like a build your own salad. It has romaine, avocado, sweet potato, red onions, craisins, cucumbers. I think that's it. Oh, carrots, and then I don't really like oily dressings, so I just get balsamic vinegar instead of vinaigrette, and I put it on there. But it's really good, and it's affordable, and I love Salad and Go. Alright guys, hopefully you can hear me. It's raining. I just got this insulting order of $3.25 for 5.2 miles at Raising Cane's, so we're gonna decline that. Yes. Hopefully DoorDash has something else up their sleeve, because it is raining, and if they're getting me those kind of orders, I'm just gonna go home. Here's another wild order. We're gonna decline it. It's Pet Supplies Plus, 9.25 for 13.2 miles. What the fuck? Not in the rain. Alright, here's a decent one. It's 12.75. It is 7 miles though. Oh man. Alright, we're gonna accept it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, here, let me confirm it. Alright. Thank you so much.
Let me get the bill for you.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. I get just sprinkling. Thank you too. Alright, well, I'm not part of the large order program, but I feel like this is like cutting it close. Oh my gosh, $12.75 for 7 miles, and let's hope they tipped $10. Alright, well, at least they tipped $10, so that's like what? Almost 10%. Guys, I just declined an order for Angie's. It was like $6.74, which on a regular day wouldn't be bad. The miles are bad, but my minimum right now, because of the peak pay, is $8. My minimum to move, and because of the rain, the $8 better be like decent, like miles, you know, nothing over 5. So what do we got here? Okay, yeah, we're doing this. Pizza Hut, 6.4 miles, 2 orders. Alright, yeah. Let's think about that math wise. Yeah, that's fine. Hi, I was gonna leave at the door, but I didn't. Oh. It's wet everywhere, so did you want me to leave it right here? I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Alright, guys. So that was a handed to me. They both tipped decent, you know, for pizza. Alright guys, I just got a notification while I was at the gas station saying that North Phoenix is really busy right now, and if I choose to work, I will get $2 extra. So that's some. So now, let's see, $9 to move. Yeah. Let's see, Dollar General, 13 items. Absolutely not, but that was cute. That was a cute offer, but we're not going to do that. We're not doing 13 items. Do you realize how long that's going to take? It's 50%. DoorDash, one chance, and then I'm going to go somewhere else. So, okay, we got 9 for McDonald's, 2.7. All right, you guys, I said $9 to move. So do you think I'm gonna take it? Yes, I am. Yes.
And you're here for?
Brittany G.
She was trouble. Had a hell of a time finding that M&M.
Thank you so much. Have a good night, guys. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hi, Loretta B. Have a good night. Thank you. It is pouring right now. Anyway, that stupid bitch Loretta did not tip. So somehow, I gotta go look back at that thing because it was a 12 plus. So, here, let's go look at it right now because also I got a Walgreens order that I declined. I don't even know if I took a picture of it. I don't even care. Okay, here's another one, a Shop and Pay. PetSmart, $12, 6.4. No. But anyway, yeah, that bitch Loretta did not tip. Like, it's fucking pouring rain. I don't care if I only had to go, like, a mile or two to drop your food off. Like, what is wrong with you? Alright, guys, I got a $12 Johnny Rockets and Barrows pizza. Well, I got 2 orders. It's not really it's not going to the same customer. So I'm going to accept it. It's $12, 2.1 miles. Anyway, I have to deliver to an apartment, and guess whose apartment complex it is? That's right, it's mine. This is the third time. This is the third time I've delivered to my own apartment complex, and I wasn't even trying to dash over here. I was trying to dash somewhere else, and it just got a Target for 2 items. Actually, kind of have to go to Target. I don't want to go to Target for someone else though. Alright, just got a Romanos for 7.1 yen now. Alright guys, DoorDash was sending me bullshit, so I turned on Uber. I got this $11 for 5 miles, Noodles and Company, so we're gonna do that right now. Alright guys, so Uber tried to give me like 4 or 5 add-ons, and I ended up taking one, but one that was absolutely insane was, it was for $1.97, and no, it wasn't to the same customer or to the same restaurant. It was to pick up at 7-Eleven, which was close by, but it was $1.97. I don't even know the miles. It doesn't matter if it was right next door. Okay, maybe if it was the customer, that's the only thing I could think of, like, why anyone would ever take it. Still, it's not even worth anyone's time. $1, or maybe it was $1.98. Either way, it doesn't matter. It was under $2, guys. Why are we... why is that? That's crazy. But anyway, I took a $10 Charlie's Steakery order for like 5 miles. So on top of this. So I'm not sure where that one's going yet. But we're going to drop off this one. And it is just... it's just like off and on. But it seems like every time I need to get out of the car, it starts like pouring rain. Like for my apartment complex, it was like flooding. I had to like a jump to get back into my car. Oh man. Anyway. What's your name?
Caesar.
Okay, perfect. Sorry. You're all that, and then here's your drink. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, have a good one. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I needed a pin. 1 through 0. Thank you. Alright guys, North Phoenix is like super busy, but I need to run a Target really quick, and I can't get a hold of my mom, so I'm gonna run by there too and see if she's home yet, and then we'll see. I think I'm done. I hit 100, I believe.